In the previous lessons, we talked about sales tax and other types of tax, and these are all amounts that get added on to an original price. In this lesson, we're going to talk about discounts and sale prices. So first, let's go through some terminology. A discount is a reduction in price. The price is being reduced or getting smaller. The discount is usually advertised as a percent or a fraction of the regular price. So in general, we can calculate the sale price by taking our regular price and subtracting the discount. So let's do an example. Bob wants to buy a tennis racket during a summer sale. What is the sale price? So here we see the advertisement. It says 40% off. Regular price, $165.99. So our discount is 40% of the regular price. And we're going to subtract the discount from the regular price in order to get the sale price. I'm going to show you two different methods to solve this problem. The first method is step by step, and the second method is going to be somewhat of a shortcut. Both methods will result in the same answer, so by the end of this example, you get to decide which method makes the most sense to you, and that's the one you're going to use. So in the first method, the first thing I'm going to do is calculate the discount. Well, it's 40% off, so I'm calculating 40% of the regular price. So to calculate a percent of a number, I take the percent as a decimal and multiply by the number. And when I do that calculation, I end up with 66.396. But we have to remember, we're dealing with money here, so we need to round to the 2 digits after the decimal. So this third digit is 5 or more. It bumps this up. So this is closer to 40 cents than it is to 39 cents. So my discount ends up being $66.40. So the next thing I need to do is find the sale price. Well, that's just the regular price minus the discount. The regular price was $165.99. I got that from here. And the discount was $66.40. That's what I calculated here. And when I do the calculation, it ends up being $99.59. So Bob is buying a $165.99 tennis racket with a 40% discount. The sale price is now $99.59. In method 2, I'm not going to find the discount and then subtract it from the regular price. I'm going to go straight to the sale price. And the key is this. If I'm getting a discount of 40%, that means that I'm paying 60% of the regular price. So if I'm paying 60% of the regular price, that's 0.60 times 165.99. And in my calculator, it says 99.594. Now remember, this is money, so we have to round to the second digit after the decimal. This is less than 5, so this stays the same. So that rounds to $99.59. So you can see that's the same answer I got in method 1. They both work. This is just a little bit of a shortcut. If I'm getting 40% taken off, that means I have 60% of the price remaining. And either method you choose, it doesn't matter. As long as you're doing it right, you'll end up with the same answer. In this next example, we're going to deal with a discount, but this time it's going to be as a fraction instead of a percent. A carpet cleaning service advertises a sale. It offers 1/3 off its regular prices, which is usually $39.99. Calculate the sale price. In method 1, I'm going to solve this problem in step-by-step fashion. In method 2, I'm going to do the shortcut method. So the discount is 1/3 of the regular price. Now just remember what a fraction means. 1/3 just means 1 divided by 3. So I can do this calculation 1 divided by 3 times 39.99, which works out to $13.33. So my discount is $13.33. To calculate the sale price, I take my regular price and subtract the discount, which ends up being $26.66 as the sale price. In method 2, I'm going to use a shortcut, and I'm going to end up with the same answer. So if my discount is 1/3 of the price, what fraction of the price am I actually paying? Well, if 1/3 is taken off, 2/3 are remaining. So my sale price is 2/3 of the regular price. And don't forget, 2/3 just means 2 divided by 3. So to calculate my sale price, it's just 2 divided by 3 times the regular price, which is $26.66. So you can see I got the same answer with two different methods. This first method is step by step. First I find the discount, then I subtract the discount from the regular price. In method 2, I'm just calculating the sale price in one step. So whichever method works the best for you, that's the one you should use. So as you work on the practice questions for this lesson, let me know if you need any clarification, and I'll do my best to help.